In the business news, bakers are likely to increase the prices of the Pinoy Pandesal and Pinoy Tasty within the month. The full report from George Bandola.
Before this month's end, prices of Pinoy Pandesal and Pinoy Tasty will be increased by 150 and 3 pesos respectively. Should the government hike the tariff imposed on imported flour, Filipino bakers have no other option but to also impose a price hike.
This is supposed to be under the Tariff Commission. Bakit sila nagde-decide na kagad, hindi pa na umpisa na sumagot yung mga turkey importers? Nagpe-preempt na sila. Kaya kami, wala kaming nagagawa. Kung hindi, tataas din kami ng mga 3 piso, kinumpit namin. At the same time, pumayag na rin ang DTI sa amin sa August 20 na 3 piso itataas sa Pinoy Tasty at 150 doon sa Pinoy Pandesal.
Mr. Ah said talks between the government and the Bakers Association have failed after Filipino flour millers insisted that imported flour should be taxed more. The said tariff increase will bring the prices of both local and imported flour to an identical $450 per metric ton.
Tapos bigla na lang nila aalisin yung turkey flour, which we are already enjoying it. Tapos mapipilitan kami tumaas ang presyo. Kaya ang mga tao kumakain ng pandesal, lalo nang kumakonti at hindi ipoprotect yung mga malalaking mga giant flour mill na still so-called na safeguard tariff for 20%. Yun ang mali.
Meanwhile, Turkish flour importers continue to call for the suspension of tariff increase in imported flour. Ernesto Chua of the Turkish-Philippine Business Council denies allegation by the local flour millers that cheaper Turkish flour have been dumped in the Philippines. Compared to the locally produced flour or harinang Pinoy, imported flour from Turkey, Indonesia, and Vietnam benefits the local bakers and the consumers as well. Because it is cheaper, local bakers opt to buy imported flour, thus maintaining lower prices of Pinoy Pandesal and Pinoy Tasty.
Postpone mo nila yung hearing dito sa usapin ito sa isang taon na lang. Kasi nalalapit na itong Christmas and New Year season na malaki ang konsumo ng harina. So, total, hindi naman nalulugi itong mga flour miller, pwede na nilang hindi iposige.
Hard flour imported from Turkey costs only 750 pesos per 25 kilogram as compared to locally produced which costs 900 pesos, while imported soft flour costs 620 pesos as compared to 720 pesos for locally produced. Turkish flour importers say leveling the prices of imported and local flour will give more profits to the local flour millers and will mean more burden for the bread consumers.
Ang mas maapektuhan yung food industry na gumagamit ng flour. Hundreds of thousands na ang magsasara niyan kung walang Turkish flour. Dahil sa Turkish flour, naging competitive ang mga at affordable yung mga produkto nila. Like mga noodles, yung mga biscuits. Kung bibili itong mga SME na to ng harinang lokal, hindi nila may bebenta yung produkto nila sa mababang halaga.
For People's Television, George Bandola.